Hello! Today we want to share with you 10 things you didn't know about parrots. These beautiful birds are very smart and special. The following are some of the most compelling facts about them. Number 10. Talkative Beings. A group of parrots is called a Pandemonium, which means wild and noisy. A fitting name for this group of social chatterboxes. Number 9. Free them all. In India, it's illegal to cage them, and anyone caught breaking this law could find themselves facing a fine and up to 6 years in prison. Number 8. Sensitive animals. Yes, they feel emotions just like humans do. They can be angry, sad, and happy. Also, each parrot portrays its own unique characteristics. Number 7. Animals of many words. In 1995, a blue parakeet landed in the Guinness Book of World Records for his vocabulary skills, with a recognized set of 1,728 words. Number 6. Long lives. Many parrots have near human lifespans. They can reach up to 90 years of age. The current oldest parrot is 82 years old, and it is a cockatoo. Number 5. In danger. A third of the world's parrots face extinction due to a combination of habitat destruction and persistent poaching for the pet trade. Number 4. Ancient pets. Parrots were first kept as pets by ancient Egyptians, and then by the Indians and Chinese. They were brought to Europe in 300 BC. Number 3. Unique feeding skills. Parrots are the only birds that can eat with their feet. Also, it has been observed that they can be left-footed or right-footed. Number 2. Faithful creatures. Once they find a partner, they eat and sleep together. They also groom each other and generally stay together until one of them dies. Number 1. Most intelligent birds. Not only are they capable of mimicking human speech, but they can also add, subtract, and understand the meaning of zero. Remember, love and respect all animals. If you like parrots and animals, please share, like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell to get more videos like this one. Don't forget to check the description for animal-related links. Thanks for watching and take care.